Y'all, I'm out here in the rain looking at cars. Nice little Honda. We got a Mustang over here. Oh, I think that this was the one that was over there. Yeah. I guess they came out here to city, or not city, but the state probably made them clear out some of them cars. And they had to move stuff over here. They moved all the Corvettes right here, as you can see. Out here in the rain. Oh, somebody in that building? I never seen nobody be over there. They moved some stuff back there. I ain't even seen nobody be over there before, but dang, that ain't bad. That's an easy little fix up and paint. Got the T-tops. Oh man, that thing's getting rained in. Not liking that. It's an old school Chevy right there. Oh no, I don't like that they letting it get wet. At least try to put something over it to protect it from getting wet. Put it inside. Like, what the hell? Sheesh. Thing get wet. It's all Chevys right here. 4 in a row. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I know it probably sound muffled, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead because my phone getting wet. Y'all saw these ones right here before, and they still got the Golf, and they got some buses over there. I might have to ask them about those buses. One's a RV. Bus life right there. Oh, is this the? Hold on, let's go over here one. See if this is the. Is this the one where the window? Oh no, that's that one. I was gonna say where the windows were smashed. Oh no, this is just getting rained in. Oh, you know what? I think I said this before, where the whole top is messed up. I think I did something on it. Yeah, the old Cadillac. I did something on this before. You literally got a whole, this is a planter now. Literally got a whole plant in there. Oh, goodness gracious. They need to come cut this freaking grass, y'all. Alright, you guys. I know this was short. It was meant to be a little short video. Oh, I didn't even go look at the truck, but it's coming down, so I'm out. 1965, y'all. The pinstripes. Yeah, you guys, I've been out here before. Y'all see, they still got the Camaro. They got my New Yorker still out here. And I want the surface is, well, the hood's starting to peel a little bit, the surface. I can't remember what he told me he wanted for this. I think 17, and it's a transmission rebuilt, or new transmission. But look at that beautiful grill. He had let me look inside some months ago. I think I lost the video, but it is super clean inside. Matter of fact, the doors are open right now. I'll let you guys see inside. Ooh, it smells super modish in here. See if the back door is open. No, the back door is not open, but beautiful car. I'm gonna try to get it one of these days before it starts messing up. Just sitting out here, you see a little surface rust is starting to come right there, but that's like not, I don't think that's really metal right here. The little bit of rag top looks good. Yeah, the wheels don't look too bad. The hubcaps are nice and they complete. That one's flat in the back. Let's see. This one actually holding air. Let me see if I can get the hood to come up. Oh, I'm all up in the weeds. Hold on, y'all. Yeah, I can't get it, y'all. The latch is like stuck right now. It's not coming up. But yeah, it still has a Camaro over here, but he wants a lot for this Camaro because he thinks they're rare. He really thinks these are rare and that you don't see many, but I see them all the time. It's not really rare. And it has like some issues. It needs a new motor, I think it was. And the price he's asking, I'm not going to pay because I can get one with the T-tops for way less. That's the one I want right there. So, we got a Jeep Liberty, Lincoln, and Isuzu. Y'all seen all these before, and the Navigator. So, we're not going to go through all these ones again. It's really about the Chrysler right here, the New Yorker. So, yeah. All right, you guys, actually, I just got it open. Had to push up on this handle real hard and then push down and lift up real hard. But y'all see inside under here. Hopefully y'all can see good. Super dirty under here. The oil filter right there. See, it's a 3 liter V6 Chrysler. This thing is definitely a beautiful ass car. All right, yeah, but I just wanted to come back to show you guys that. So follow me on Instagram, check out my Facebook, obviously like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
See? See? Don't look. See? See? Don't look. I'm taking it now. I'm gonna go open it.